What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, family, so you guys requested for me to do quick steamed potatoes, so here we have it. All you're going to need is some aluminum foil, and you're going to roll them into little balls like this. Of course, you're going to need a potato, a pot, and a lid. Now, however, today I do not have a plate that's small enough to fit inside my pot, so we're going to go ahead and use a pie pan. Nonetheless, it's still going to make some beautiful food, family. Give me a light. Now, we're going to go ahead and fill our pot with a half a cup to a cup of water, and if you're using a pie pan, you want to flip it upside down. And yes, my pan is clean. Alright, now you do want to wash your potato thoroughly, and we're going to place it in the middle of our pan, and we're going to place the lid on it. We're going to allow this to boil. Once it starts to boil, family, we're going to let this steam for about 10 to 20 minutes. Alright? And until then, quick facts. How many ways can you quick steam potatoes? 3. Number 1, by pan steaming. Number 2, by using aluminum foil or a pie pan. Or number 3, using a microwave. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Alright, family, and after 20 minutes, this is what we have. Make sure before you lift the lid, you lift it away from your face, for the steam is hot and it will scald your face. Alright, family? Now at this time, we're going to go ahead and take a fork and see how soft this is. Nice. Look at that steam. Let's plate this up for you guys. And there you have it, family. Quick steamed potatoes. And you can make it however you like. I'm going to make mine like baked potatoes. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on mine. A little bit of black pepper. A couple dollars of sour cream. Don't forget your chives. And your liquid cheese. Quick steamed potatoes for a quick treat. Alright. Let's go ahead and dig in, family. Delish! Thank you again, family, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 dings and to our next food adventure. Peace.